Hi there, welcome back to Think Tank Online Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a butterfly spanner. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our next video. If you're looking for other type of engineering drawing videos, just go to this channel information and open on the engineering drawing playlist. We have plenty of videos where we covered most of the topics in engineering drawing, such as assembly, orthographic, isometric, geometry, and development. Okay, my diagram is very small dimensions, so I'm going to double the dimensions. I'm going to increase the scale. Okay, if you don't want to increase the scale, you can just follow my steps. You can also do that without reducing the scale. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Okay, like this one, and I'm going to locate my point, the point where I want to measure the center. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to draw a circle which is a radius of 6, that is 12 drill. But if I multiply the scale by 2, that is going to be 12. So I'm going to say 12 times 6 times 2. I'm going to draw a circle that is a radius of 12. And the next circle is a diameter of 26, so that means the radius is 13. And if I multiply that by 2, the radius is going to be 26. And the next circle is a radius of 20, and if I multiply that by 2, that is going to give me 40. Okay, and from the center point, I'm going to measure distance of 40, and if I multiply that by 2, the distance is going to be 80. I'm going to draw one project a vertical line from that point, and from that point I'm going to measure a distance of 57 times 2, and 57 times 2, I think that is 114. The distance of 114 from this point, 114, so this is 112, 100, 112, 130, 105, 114 is here. Draw a line here. Okay, open a canvas. I want to draw a circle that is radius of 10. Multiply by that by 2, that's going to be 20. Okay, and I'm going to draw the same circle right here. Okay, and project my line. Okay, and after that I'm going to elongate these two lines. Okay, the first one, and okay, open my canvas to distance of 4. Now to draw same circle, should be very careful when drawing circles with very small d. After doing that, join those two circles, those two semicircles together, the construction line. Okay, like this. And I think this line should touch this circle and this circle. Now I want to draw a line which under a curve which joins this line, this circle with this line. Okay, so that means if and this curve is a radius of 8, that means we have to draw a line which is parallel to this line at a distance of 8. So just strike an arc here, 2 points along that line, and draw a construction line, and that curve is going to be an exterior with three reference to this circle is going to be an exterior curve. So in drawing exterior curve, just add the radius of this circle, the radius of the curve, that is going to be 20 plus 8, and the answer is 28. Okay, so at the center, strike an arc, and that arc, that point where this parallel line meets with the arc of strike, is going to be the center for that line. And if you okay, now I want to join these 2 points. Okay, like this, and I want to draw a same circle here, that is radius of 9. Okay, like this one, I think we can just rub this curves which you've extended. Okay, and now I want to draw a curve which joins this circle with this circle, and that curve is a radius of 5 times 2, that is a radius of 10, and that circle is going to be exterior because it's not enclosing those two circles. So we're going to say the radius of this circle is 40 plus 10, and that is going to give you 50. At this end, strike an arc. I'm going to say the radius of this, which is 18 plus 10, that's going to give you 28. The reason why I said 18, the radius of this circle is 9 times 2, that's going to give you 18 plus 10, that's going to give you 28. Sending right here, construct an arc. Then by opening 5 times 2, that is 10, sending right here, can now draw an arc which joins this circle, that circle. Okay, in order to have smooth circles, smooth curve, and very clean diagram, make sure you sharpen your pencil using razor blade. Okay, now I want to outline here, and also need to outline here, and can also find the circle to this point, and you need to draw a same circle by joining this curve with this line. Okay, okay, now I want to draw a curve which join this curve with this line. And whenever you want to draw a curve which ends a line, think of the parallel line. So the radius of the curve which is going to join here is 4. 4 times 2, that is going to be 8. We're going to draw parallel lines which are 8 centimeters from this line. Just stand anyway, so I can arc. Anyway, so I can arc and draw a curve here. And that arc is going to be exterior since it's not enclosed in the circles. So when drawing exterior arc, when drawing a curve which is exterior, drawing exterior curves, use the radius. So I'm going to say 4 plus 9. That is going to give us 13 times 2. Since I'm doubling the scale, 26. So sending here, I'm going to draw an arc at 26. So the points where the parallel line meets the arc, it's going to be the center. You put on your canvas with a radius of 4. In my case, it's 8 since I've doubled the scale. You can now draw a very smooth curve which will meet the line and this curve very smartly. Okay. Okay, and you need to outline here. Okay, and as you can see, we've finished our diagram. Only left with drawing the center lines. Okay, so don't forget to show the scale you have used on the title block. Otherwise, the marks will be deducted if you don't tell the examiner the scale which you use. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.